ni mohoro na njira nguhi maria ngukwiriria ati ni ngucoka namo wona cihanda thaa 10 njitagwo Waweru wa Nyambura. President William Ruto ni acemanitie na makiria ma ateti 12,000 aria maramereria mata iturwa itiganite na kiama kia UDA. President Ruto oete mweke ucio kumatariria murugamo wa kiama maria arenda kwamba kuhingiria a Kenya mbere ya githurano kia mwaka ukite na cioneki iria arenda kuhingia itena-ini riake ria keri.
And by the way, it is the reason why we called this meeting. Tuliitisha hii mkutano ni mapema kidogo kwa mambo ya uchaguzi wa next year. Lakini tuliwaita mapema because we don't want you to be just a leader in UDA. We want you to have a reason. Nyinyi mnanielewa? Narudia kusema. We want you to have a reason. Why have we called this meeting? We have called this meeting because the politics of Kenya is changing. The politics of Kenya is no longer about tribal arithmetic. The politics of Kenya is no longer about recycled, backward, primitive leadership. The politics of Kenya has changed. It is about a vision. It's about ideas. It's about issues. It's about a manifesto, an agenda, a program for the transformation of Kenya. That is what the citizens of this great nation are looking for. Our competitors are stuck in tribal arithmetic. Our friends are stuck in division and hate. They are selling to us hate. This community versus that community. This region versus that region. This person versus the other one. We are telling our competitors, it is no longer about personalities. It is no longer about tribal arithmetic. It is no longer about selling this community against the other. It is about a vision. It's about ideas. It's about issues.
Komishoni ya ithurano na mihaka IEBC ni yaniriire mubango wa gucokereria kwandikithia kwa aikia a kura mweri-ini wa gatatu. Muikariri gitu wa komishoni no Edun Ethekong ari gikaro-ini na atungatiri a dini itiganite augite ati mihango ya wandikithia wa aikia a kura igutabanio kwa ihinda ria thikũ 30 matanya ari kwandikithia aikia a kura eru matanyihiire milioni 6 na 300,000.
The faith leaders remain trusted voices in society and are critical partners in promoting peace, peaceful participation, ethical leadership, civic responsibility, and national unity. So we need that during this election cycle. And therefore the Commission and the country looks up to you to champion peaceful and informed participation during these elections, to help us counter this new phenomenon called misinformation, disinformation, and malinformation, which is likely to distort certain things around elections.
Mubango-ini wa thirikari wa gutigirira ati ni ahurana na uhuthiri mukiruku wa njohi, maabitha a honge cia Nakada na ugitiri ni mambikite Firigiceni kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga kuhitana na wendia na uhuthiri wa dawa cia ndugugio. Firigiceni ino iria tongoretio ni murugamiriri munene wa Nakada ekwirwo eri ni maikitio ngono toria Boni wa Thuku aratariria.
Ni Firigiceni ya kuhitana na wendia na uhuthiri wa dawa cia ndugugio matura-ini kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga na uria utabanitio ni honge itiganite itongoretio ni ruhonge rwa Nakada. Na mucini uria wikwagirwo ukorwo ari kigando kahithukirwo na itanya ari gwethana na njohi na dawa cia ndugugio. Makinya-ini manini tauni-ini ya Gathoge nakuo kahithukirwo na njohi itetekiritio ikahithukio na kuri imwe ihitukitie mahinda ma wendia na iria ingitire na muhuri wa KRA.
And we were pursuing adulterated alcohol, and when we go to this site here behind me, we found some of the alcohol being sold here is allegedly expired. The ones that had KRA stamp, we could not verify the content because it was unverifiable from the system. We suspect that most of the alcohol that is there is contraband.
Murugamiriri munene wa NACADA Anthony Amerikwa augite ati itanya ria thirikari ni gutigirira ati unyui na uhuthiri wa dawa cia ndugugio ni wahuka guothe bururi-ini, akiuga ati ni ritana ria mutongoria wa bururi uria ugite ati thina uno nginya uninwo kaimana. Augite ati mambikite mubango ona niguo kuhitana nginyagia na wendia wa njohi iria itakinyanĩire ikiro, na kuria oritie muingi gwitikira kuhuraga riboti kuri honge cia ugitiri na niguo kuhukia thina uyu, na kuria ekwirwo eri mairikitie guikio ngono.
It is a continuous process, and now more than ever we are targeting the distributors. For a very long time we've been arresting the retailers. Now we are going up the food chain, and we have sufficient intelligence to ensure that we obliterate this nefarious enterprise being perpetrated by unscrupulous business people who are intended on harming Kenyans.
Maugite ati mehotorete kuhukia thina ukaimana na njira ya guthurima wendia matura-ini. Meranĩire gũtwarithia na mbere frigisheni ĩno matũra-inĩ mothe gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ, na nĩguo gũtigĩrĩra atĩ njohi ĩno nĩ yahuka guothe bũrũri-inĩ. Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, kuma Gathoge Njũkĩ-inĩ kaũntĩ-inĩ ya Kirinyaga, njĩtagwo Boni Wathuku.
Uria wari mucirithania munene David Maraga augite bururi nduraterebwo na njira iria yagereire. Maraga uria urahuranira giturwa gia president na kiama kia United Green Movement ongereire ati utongoria wa guthikiriria na gutungatira muingi niguo urendekana bururi-ini. Aheanite ndumiriri ino ari mwena wa Kinango kaunti-ini ya Kwale hindi ya mihango ya kuria muingi wiyandikithie ta aikia a kura mbere ya githurano kinene twerekeire. Augite ungumania ne wakiririe honge-ini ciothe cia thirikari undu uria uroina murihi wa magoti guoko. Athiete na mbere na kuga ati rucio rwa arutwo rwaya gukorwo ugwati-ini kumana na urugamiriri muru wa ministry ya githomo na mibango miogomu ya thirikari iria iraterebwo githomo.
Wizi wa pesa ya serikali nataka kusimamisha kabisa. Kenya si masikini. Kenya si masikini. Ni pesa ambao ile ambayo inatakikana kwenda kwa shule ya watoto wetu inachukuliwa na watu binafsi, wanaenda kufanya mambo yao. Mumeona mara nyingi pesa zinalipwa kwa shule ambayo haiko. Pesa zinalipwa kwa hospitali ambayo haiko. Na wananchi wanaendelea kushangaa na kutopata ile huduma ambao wanatakikana kupata.
Hawa wenyeji vuguvugu wa pwani wanaongea kwamba hali ya uchumi imezorota, lakini wao wako na mashamba, hao wako na madini, hao wako na bidhaa. Tuwaonyeshe na tuhakikishie ya kwamba wakati tutakaochukua ushukani uwe wewe ni kiongozi, ile madini, ile minerals, ile red rubies ambayo iko huku, ya kwamba lazima ikuje isaidie wananchi wa Kwale, isaidie wananchi wa pwani.
Muthenya umwe thutha wa mwaki munene gutamba gicagi-ini gia Shauri tauni-ini ya Embu na gucungiriria hathara ya mamilioni ma mbeca, riu atongoria matiganite a kaunti ya Embu ni meyumiritie kumurika thirikari ya kaunti ni kwaga mibango mikinyaniru ya kung'ethanira na mogwati. Magitongorio ni uria wari seneta wa Embu Lenny Kivuti na mubunge wa Manyata Gitonga Mukunji. Atongoria maugite ati ni kieha kuona riria miaki yatuthuka tauni-ini ya Embu, ngari cia kuhuria mwaki tikoragwo ikiruta wira, no rimwe ona itikoragwo na mai ma kuiga undu uria ukoragwo ugicungiriria hathara. Atongoria aya riu marahinyiriria thirikari ya Embu ibange na njira igwete na ithundure mibango ya guteithia aria magomirwo ni hathara ya mogwati ta mitino ya mwaki.
Nimeambiwa na chairman hapa ati mali kama 500 million imetokomea. Unajua 500 million sio pesa kidogo. Sio pesa hilo unaweza kuja unasema tuchange hiyo 500 million. There must be policy made in the county to the effect in case of disaster. How do people recover from disaster? Through disaster management.
Ni vizuri pia county government iangalie maneno ya disaster preparedness. Ni muhimu sana ikifika maneno ya moto tujue tunaishi mahali inaitwa urban centers. Mahali kunaweza chomeka anytime. Kwa hivyo gari inawekwa na maji, inawekwa vizuri na ikiwa tayari na mafuta imetosha ili iweze kufika hapa haraka, kwa sababu hapa ni karibu sana. we need quicker response when it comes to disaster management.
Ugendi uthiete na mbere na kugacira mwena wa gicua-ini guku namba nene ya agendi aria maracera kaunti-ini ya Mombatha makiuma gitaru-ini kia Afrika. Kuringana na bodi ya ugendi guku bururi-ini KTB, gatagati ka agendi milioni 2.5 aria maingirire guku bururi-ini mwaka muthiru 900 moimite gitaru-ini kia Afrika. Mamwe ma maundu maria monekete kuguciriria agendi kuma gitaru-ini kia Afrika ni kugacira kwa ukui gatagati ga Kenya na mabururi maria turigainie. Kahinda-ini o kau a Kenya ni moritio gucerera miena ngurani ya guku bururi-ini ari ta njira imwe ya kugacirithia ugendi.
Last year we received 66,000 tourists from Rwanda, mainly for beach. They came for honeymoon, they came for holiday, just to experience. Tunajua inaweza kutupatia wageni zaidi. Kumbuka pia Afrika na East Africa, sisi ni wenyewe kwa wenyewe, kusafiri ni rahisi, ni cross border, unaweza toka Rwanda asubuhi na in the next 2 hours uko Mombasa. Kwa hivyo ndo tunaangalia Africa.
We are first of all our own tourists. We need to promote Kenya. Tembea Kenya, promote Kenya. So there is a lot of potential in the Kenyan market. So besides kuuza uoga, let's start by ourselves, seeing what we have on ground. Because I can tell you, most people will come to Mombasa and they're like, wow, this facility has always been here. And yes, we've always been here. So again, I would say elections will come and go, but these facilities stay. So we really need to promote.
Itemine ria kugacirithia thukuru cia kuinukwo gicigo-ini kia Obunge gia Kigumo kaunti-ini ya Murang'a, horo njeru ni yakitwo na kigina kia NGCDF thukuru-ini wa secondary wa Turuturu. Na toria Joseph Wachira aratariria, aciari mwena uyu ni mahetwo ceki cia basari.
Kwa makiria ma miaka 10 riu akiwa horo ya kurirwo na ya micemanio thukuru-ini wa secondary wa Koinoko wa Turuturu mwena wa Kigumo kaunti-ini ya Murang'a ukoretwo kwamite ukitwo na twitwo twana twa State House edere wirikitie gwa kwekarika na kuhingurwo ni mubunge wa Kigumo Kamau wa Munyoro kugerera kigina kia NGCDF mwena uyu
na horo ne twamikorire guku thitroga tumirikia Giciria ni twakite horo ingi mwena wa Kigumo Bendero na kuogithie ni tuhoro turakire nene muno. Ciana ici irariagira kuria nja na kwibura na kwirio igacafa muno. Aciari nao moka micemanio no matire handu mangiikara. So ino ni ya guteithia guku muno. Na giciria ni muona wira uria turutite. Na no turakiandikithia basari.
Ni kuri na rukungu na ciana citu cia heo irio irathiaga githaka-ini na guku kuri na rukungu na toria uyo no gima wa mwiri mwana no agie mathina ni undu wa rukungu akiria irio cikiumbukagirwo ni rukungu.
Mwarimu munene wa thukuru uyu wa Turuturu Thairo wa Mwangi agitariria bata wa atongoria kugacirithia thukuru cia Koinokwo.
This school ikoretwo inyitirire mwena mwingi munene muno mwena-ini wa githomo tondu hatire bata gutwara mwana thukuru utakwota kurikania nayo tio ciagirwo ni gwikirirwo kipao mbere ni thirikari na atongoria tu nao nigetha mundu wothe atigirire ni agia the basic education.
Mwena-ini wake Sifuluse Muringi akiuga ni maratacokia makinya kuri aciari aria maraga kuingiria arutwo grade-ini ya 10
aria mataratwara ciana ni wega kumera no nginya marumirire watho na no nginya ciana ciothe ithome tondu president augite mena uniform kana matari no nginya mathome na ni turamoya na tukamatwara mathukuru-ini
ni wa Kristo Yesu ni twahoga twetikia.
Girifotera Inoro TV kuma Turuturu Kigumo muhuro wa kaunti ya Murang'a jitago Joseph Wachira.
Thaa 10 hitukitie dakika 15 hau niho tugutirihira mohoro na njira nguhi mohoro kihinyo ukumamukira wana cihanda thaa 1 na thaa 3 cia hwaini. Kaida-ini gaka ni kurika mwena uria ungi wa kiharo na Twaraba kuria tafarira ya mwigangaro igukorwo gitwarithio na mbere ni Ses Jonato Gikonyore Nyambura wa Kabui na DJ Smiles. Handu-ini handorothe twanyitanira nao gukurehera umemerekio uyu hwaini wa umuthi tugitongorio ni Linet Mutheu na Regina Wanjiko wa Mwaura. Yana hwaini mwega, njitagwo Waweru wa Nyambura.